Example number 27. Players equals to Mohamed Salah, Fabregas, Hazard, Torres. Print of players of 1 colons 3. Run it, you will get Fabregas, Hazard. Look, this time on the left side I have index 1, so the program will run from index 1, 0, 1. It will start from Fabregas up to the index 3, but index 3 is not included, 0, 1, 2, 3. Torres is not included. Before Torres, all the names are included. We have Fabregas and Hazard. So Fabregas and Hazard will be printed in the output if you put 1 colons 3. Example number 28. Let me take again the same expression, but this time I'm going to check print of players of 3 colons 3, which will return the empty tuple. Look at here. At the left side I have index 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. It will start from Torres. At index 3 we have Torres here. But on the right side I have also index 3. Index 3 is not included, as I told you. On the right side the 3 is not included. Therefore we got empty tuple. If you have the same values on both sides of the colons, you will get empty tuple. We already know that when it comes to the left side, exactly from that index value the program will start. So at 3 we have Torres, it will start from the Torres, but when it comes to the right side, exactly that index value is not included. Therefore Torres is not included. If you have the same value on both sides of the colons, you will always get empty tuple. Example number 29. Let me take again the same tuple, but this time I'm going to take print of players of 0 colons -1, which will return Mohamed Salah, Fabregas, Hazard. Look, my value on the left side is 0 indexing, so it will start from 0 indexing. At 0 index value we have Mohamed Salah up to -1. At -1 we have Torres, but make sure Torres is not included. The value on the right of the colons, whether it is negative index value or positive index value, exactly that index value is not included. So before Torres, all the names are included. We have Mohamed Salah, Fabregas, Hazard before Torres. So Mohamed Salah, Fabregas, Hazard will be printed in the output if you run this program. So there was the indexing with the colons for the string. We have learned the indexing with colons for the numbers, and we also learned indexing with colons for the string.